Good morning. This is Chris Stevens from Bradley-Morris RecruitMilitary. I'm a senior vice president here, and I've been doing this now for just over 20 years. Bradley-Morris had helped me when I transitioned out of the United States Air Force when I retired in 1999. And I've been fortunate enough to be able to now work for Bradley-Morris RecruitMilitary. So the question recently was posed, what was the best professional advice that was ever given to me? And I can tell you right away, the first thing that comes to mind is actually two things. One of them is work ethic. You don't necessarily have to be the smartest person in the room, but you do have to be the hardest working. So what's made me successful and what I try to pass on to other transitioning military members is that work ethic. Work harder than the person next to you. And a second piece of advice I can tell you that I was actually given, and I share this with a lot of transitioning military members as well, is companies always hire who they like, not necessarily the most qualified person. Let's face it, we're being trained each and every day in the military, and we can be trained at any one of these Fortune 500 companies, but they cannot teach you a personality. And that's what's going to get you ahead of the game, is having a great personality, because companies always hire who they like. Thanks, and have a great day.